Hi, I'm Kelly Motherwell from Motherwell Products, and today I'm here to show you our new solo luggage rack for the touring models. Part number MWL-462. This unit here is made of 3/8 solid steel wire, 1/2-inch tubing on the outside. All the tabs are 12 gauge steel. Each piece is checked for quality to ensure you're getting nothing but the best piece, and fitment to make sure it's going to fit when you get it. This unit here has a carrying surface of 10.5 by 13 and has a weight limit of 20 pounds. This is probably one of the biggest solo luggage racks on the market today, and we're happy to have it. If you're looking for a solo luggage rack for your motorcycle, give us a shout or click the link below and we'll get this out to you as soon as possible. Great, have a great day. Thanks.